Hey, we got Caleb proned out right now on the Nola Street. Get out of our fire! Get down on the ground! Caleb, get down on the ground now! Drop the knife! Get down on the ground! Caleb, drop it! Caleb,
You got less lethal on him?
drop the knife.
You got less lethal on him?
Listen to me, okay? I don't have less lethal on me. Caleb, come on. Just drop the knife, okay? Caleb. Drop the knife, and then you guys have a conversation, alright? Hey, we got a car behind us. Caleb, drop the knife for me. Can we beanbag him, please? Drop it. Drop it, Caleb. 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 Drop it, Caleb. 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 Stop. 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 Drop the knife for me. Drop it. Drop it, Caleb. Caleb.
He's coming, he's coming.
Caleb. Stop. 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 Caleb, I need you to drop the knife, all right, man? Listen to me, okay? We do not want to hurt you. We want to help you. But in order for us to do that, I need you to drop the knife, okay? Caleb, please just do me a favor and drop the knife, and then you and I can have a conversation, all right? Caleb, just drop the knife for me. Just drop the knife on the ground and you and I can have a conversation. Just stop. Don't walk forward. Don't walk forward. Caleb, don't walk forward. Stop.